So today we are going to make this nice blueberry lemon cookies. Welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Jan. So let's start this blueberry lemon cookies. I have lots of blueberries that I bought from the farmer's market the other day. They're sweet, they're like bigger in size, plump, and also some lemon. We're gonna add lemon juice and lemon zest. For a tablespoon of lemon zest, you probably need 2 lemons. And then just eggs, butter, or sugar, the flour, of course, and a little bit of cornstarch and baking soda. Now, cornstarch, if you add it, a little bit of cornstarch, what it does, it makes the cookie a little softer and a little delicate. So this is really like a muffin cookies, but it has that really nice soft texture, but still kind of have that brown edges that you can have a little bit of crunch. So let's start with the dry ingredients first, and then we're gonna combine everything. This is very easy, simple, nice to have for some kind of treats, and then just enjoy it with a cup of tea or coffee. So let's go ahead and start.
The first step is to combine all the dry ingredients in a bowl, and you're going to have a separate bowl to cream your butter and sugar. Take your time, cream them until they're smooth and fluffy, at least for a couple of minutes. And also it is important to scrape the sides of the bowl. And then you're going to add your egg, your vanilla, your lemon juice, and lemon zest. Then continue mixing until it's all incorporated. Now, this is a very important step. You are gradually going to add the flour mixture and then slowly mix them until you no longer see white flour. Don't over mix your batter. Now you're going to fold in the blueberries, and you're going to scoop the batter onto a prepared pan. Use a large scoop and then scoop the batter and space them out because they expand as you bake them. And then I like to add extra blueberries on top. Now freeze them for at least 30 minutes, then bake them between 15-18 minutes or until the sides turns golden brown.
Okay friends, I hope that you make this cookies, and if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking or baking, please share this video. Until then, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. I'm going to enjoy my cookies with this nice hot cup of tea. Oh, it is good.